Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the usage of high-definition mapping. Process. Start terrain following. Collect mapping data. Combine mapping plots. Use mapping plots. The specific steps are as follows. Start the AgriAssistant app. Tap Start. Choose Aerial Survey Mode in the upper right corner. Read notes carefully and then tap Confirm. Tap Mapping. Then plan the area by adding boundary plots. After the aerial survey plot planning is completed, reconfirm whether the plot information is correct. After confirming that it is correct, click Start. Check if the task parameters are correct. After confirming that there are no errors, click OK and swipe to unlock. The drone will fly to the starting point and start the aerial survey. During the aerial survey, you can check the shooting progress through the upper right corner of the screen. Warm reminder, during the aerial survey, pay close attention to the status of the RC and the aircraft to avoid danger caused by untimely response. After the aerial survey data collection is completed, safely land the drone in an open area and wait for the synthesis of the aerial survey plot. When waiting for the synthesis of the aerial survey plot, you can check the synthesis progress through the upper right corner of the screen. At the beginning of the synthesis progress, the calculation time is displayed, and then it enters the percentage state. After the synthesis process reaches 100%, the mapping results will be automatically downloaded and the mapping results will be automatically cut. When the aerial survey plot undergoes significant changes, the synthesis of the aerial survey plot is completed. Tap Exit to get into the aerial survey interface. Choose Routes Mode in the upper right corner. Then tap Mapping to create a plot. Plan the plot by adding boundary points. When it is finished, tap Confirm. Finally, choose the plot. Tap Use to use the aerial survey plot. Notes: 1. When using the aerial survey mode, it is necessary to avoid obstacles such as high voltage lines, signal towers, and trees to ensure an open flight airspace. 2. Before aerial surveying, check if the memory card capacity is sufficient and if there are any stains on the FPV lens to avoid affecting the aerial surveying results. 3. Before aerial surveying, the ground-following radar must be turned on, and the aerial survey map can only be used with the local RC. Above is today's lesson. Follow the TopXGun channel for more plant protection skills.